This is a video from eSkills Zone. For more videos, notes, and certificates, please visit www.eskillszone.com.
Hello and welcome. Hi viewers. Today in this video we will write a program in GW Basic to read an array and with 20 numbers and find the product of the elements of array. So on line number 10 we will type a variable named p equal to 1 and assign a value 1 to it. On line number 20 we will type dim and subscript 20. Line number 30 we will type for a equal to 1 2 20. Line number 40 we will type read and subscript a. Line number 50 we will type p is equal to p into and subscript a. Line number 60 we will type next a. Line number 70 we will type print product equal to double quotes close semicolon p. Line number 80 we will type data. We will give 20 different numbers like 6 42 4 77 39 9 21 22 8. We will use one more data statement on line number 90 and type data 45 46 12 45 23 12 5 7 1 20. Line number 100 we will type end. To close this program I'm gonna execute this program in the IDE of the GWBC programming language, and we will now switch to the IDE. So let's switch to the IDE of GW Basic Programming Language. So here we go. On line 10 we will type p equal to 1. Line number 20 we will type dim and subscript 20. Line number 30 we will type for a equal to 1 2 20. Line number 40 we will type read and subscript a. Line number 50 we will type p equal to p into n subscript a. Line number 60 we will type next a. Line number 70 we will type print product equal to double quotes close semicolon p. Line number 80 we will type data 6 42 4 77 39 9 21 22 8. Line number 90 we will type data 45 46 12 45 23 1 2 5 7 1 20. So there are total 20 values. So we have used line number 80 and 90 with data statement, so that the read statement will skip line 50 60 and 70 and will access data statement and will first read all the values and will store all the values, all the 20 values from line number 80 and 90 with the data statement, I will store in the subscript A one after another, because we have used the for loop with initial value 1, means that the loop will start from the value 1 till 20, means the loop will be executed 20 times, will be repeated 20 times, and every time the value will be stored in the subscript A, means when the value of the A is 1, the data statement, the first value 6, will be stored in the subscript A. When the loop will be executed second time, when the value of the A becomes 2, because there's an increment of every time when the loop is executed there will be an increment of 1, because whenever there is nothing is mentioned with the step keyword, is that there is an increment of 1. So second time 42 will be stored in A, third time the loop will be executed, 4 will be stored in A, and fourth time 77, fifth time 39, 9, sixth time, and in the end when it reaches the final value 20, then the value 20 will be stored in subscript. But in the end the array variable NA will contain all the values starting from 6 till 20. So I'm going to explain it in the text area. I will explain the whole program line by line, one after another, for your better understanding and knowledge. So first we will save this program. We will press the F4 key and type name of the program as product ARR prod.bas, name of the program. We will press the F3 key to load this program in the memory RAM, arrprod.bas. Now we'll press F2 key. So the product of this program is 3.621418 plus 21. So let's switch to the text area, where we will explain this program to you guys, that how this program is executed line by line and generates the output, this one. So viewers, now we will discuss this program line by line. So on line, so here is the interpretation on line 10, value 1 on the right hand side is assigned to variable named P on the left hand side by using assignment operator equal to symbol. On line 20, dim statement is used with array variable named and subscript 20, because we would like to display the product of 20 different values. So that's why we have used number 20. The subscript enclosed in the parentheses. On line 30, counter loop for is used with variable A having initial value 1 and final value 20. On line 40 means that this loop will be executed, repeated its execution 20 times, starting from 1 till 20 with an increment of 1. On line 40, read statement is used with array variable named and subscript A. On line 50, expression P into P into n subscript a on the right hand side is assigned to the variable named p on the left hand side by using assignment operator equal to symbol So this is how this whole expression, the calculation p into n subscript a, will be stored to the variable p. But since you can see this part is inside the loop, so this process will be continued till the final value of p becomes, here we can see the output 3.6214. So here is the total product of this program. Here is the output. So 20 times the loop will be executed every each time the value first 6 will be multiplied with 40, then the product of 42 into 6 will be multiplied with 4, and the product of these three numbers will be multiplied with 77, and then the product of the 77 4 into 42 into 6 will be multiplied with 39. In the end, the product of all these 19 values will be multiplied with 20, and now all these values will be, since the loop will be executed 20 times, so each time every value will be multiplied with the next values. In the end, 20 will be multiplied with all the product of the 19 values, first 19 values, and this p will contain the final product which will be displayed on the screen, this p on the left hand side. So I have just mentioned over here that the expression p into n subscript a on the right hand side is assigned to the variable named p on the left hand side by using the assignment operator equal to symbol. So this variable p will eventually display the product, or you can call it result, of the program on the output screen. So on line 60, next a is used to terminate the loop, body of the loop. On line 70, print statement is used to display the output of the program stored in variable named p. So the message enclosed in parentheses product equal to will be displayed as it is on the output screen, whereas the semicolon right after the double quotes is used to give space, and since the value p is not enclosed in double quotes and used with print statement. So therefore the values finally stored after the complete execution of the loop will be displayed on the output screen. On line 80, data statement. On line 80 and 90, I will type on line 80 and 90. Data statement is used with values which will be first accessed, read, and then stored by read statement. On line 40, on line 100, and statement is used to represent the ending, closing of the program. So that's the whole interpretation, explanation of the program line by line. So I have discussed each and everything detail. What is the use of all these operators, symbols, and how they are executed and generate the output after the compilation process. So it is very important to clear your concepts in order to understand and to become a good programmer. You need to understand each and every point, each and every symbol used in the program, each and every statement, each and every command. You should be familiar with all those, the keywords, statements, in order to become a good programmer, and their execution, their purposes, why they are used, how they are used, why they are used on a certain line, certain statement is used at certain place, certain position. It is very important to know in order to become a good programmer, because if your concepts are clear, you can become a good programmer and become a good software developer eventually. So viewers, so that's all, and thanks for watching my video. Keep watching my videos for better understanding of programming skills and to improve the knowledge and gain the knowledge how to become a good programmer. That's all.